Today we're checking out this plastic rear under seat storage for the 2014 to 21 Tundra Crew Max. If you're tired of gear rolling around the cab, or you just want a cleaner, more organized place to stash tools and accessories, this is one of those upgrades that makes the truck feel a little more useful every single day, so it's definitely worth considering. This storage box is designed to make real usable space under that back seat, and that's the big reason that somebody would want this in the first place. Instead of wasting that area, you get 3 separate compartments that keep tools, straps, small gear, and everyday truck stuff organized and easy to reach. The 2 outside compartments measure about 10 by 10, give or take 1/8 of an inch, and the center compartment measures 10 1/8 inch by 13 7/8 inches. So you have enough space to separate things out instead of throwing everything in one big bin and making a cluttered up mess. The seats are gonna fold down right on top of it, and that kind of acts like a lid, which is a smart detail because it helps cut down on noise. It keeps everything tidy without rattling around. It also fits really snugly into that rear seat area with the existing foam helping to secure it. So it feels more integrated and less like a random add-on that you just tossed in the truck. If you use your Tundra for work, travel, family hauling, or you just want the cab to stay more organized with extra accessories around, this is a practical interior upgrade that's definitely worth looking into. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting a textured, thick ABS plastic build. That ABS build is durable enough for everyday use and to hold up to all the truck stuff that it needs to handle, while keeping the whole unit light and easy to handle. And the textured finish helps it blend into the truck's interior and hold up over time. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the $300 price range. For a vehicle-specific, custom-molded storage solution that adds real organization to the Crew Max cab, that's a fair price in my opinion for something that improves the day-to-day usability every single time you load up the truck. Now, when it comes to this install process, it's getting rated a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in just 15 minutes of your time. Now, let's see exactly how that install process goes with a quick video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers.
All right, so the tools I'm going to use for this project, this is just a kitchen knife. You could also use a linoleum knife. That's to cut through the foam in the back seat where the cubbies will sit. Razor blade. Silver marker here to see my marks from the template on the carpet of the underneath the rear seat. Throw on some safety glasses, protect those eyes. Then some painter's tape to help keep the template in place while I'm working on it. All right, so the start of this install is opening up this box because you need to keep this box for this install. This is the ESP truck accessory. 2014 through 2021 Toyota Tundra Crew Max plastic under seat storage. Okay, so now I am going to be cutting this form. This is the piece that is your template for cutting into the actual back carpet portion of the Toyota Tundra Crew Max back seat where this storage is going to go. But one thing to keep in mind is you really want sharp blade so it does its job, it cuts the box, right? Alright, so this piece is free now. Now I've got to cut out these portions out of this template here, and that's the space in which the buckets for the storage will go into the foam of the back seat. Now I'm just going to cut out the remainder space. So that's all popped out. So now I have a template to put in my truck to make my marks on the carpet underneath the rear seat of the truck. Template here, and I'm placing it in position now. It's gonna fit over all these brackets right here where the seat folds up. Just some tape to help. Keeps it pretty snug with these metal brackets, but the tape is going to help just keep it all in one spot while I mark it. Again. Alright, so now I have my marker, whatever you would use to mark carpet. This is what I have, is this silver marker here. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna follow my marks here. Okay, my marks have been made. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off now and see if it is enough for me to progress. There we go. All right, throwing on the safety glasses. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this middle one here. What I'm going to do is then I'll kind of make my pre-cut into the foam with this razor blade. So it gives me a good start spot with the bigger knife. Get this out of here now. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a quick shop vac, vacuum up all these little chunks of foam as I was cutting through it. Pull off this painter's tape that I had on there to help that template stay in place, but I'm going to go ahead and place these portions of the rug or carpet that I cut out. Sure it's nice and flush down there. Okay, that's all in place now. All right, so I have the final storage piece to put it in there. We'll see if it actually fits based on the holes I cut or if I need to make any adjustments. And it follows the same shape as the template. Yeah, so there's some of those little pieces of the foam that I can tell I pushed back a little bit, but it feels like a really good tight fit. It's all the way up against the carpet. My thought is it's supposed to be as close to an OEM type of a look in this back seat. So that's how you install the ESP under the seat for the Crew Max, under the rear seat.
That's gonna wrap up our review and install of the plastic rear underseat storage for the 2014 to 21 Tundra Crew Max. And for all things Tundra, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.